When migrating from another email system to Office 365, there may be times when the migration can't happen automatically. In those situations, what you need to do is do a backup of your email to what's called a PST file, and then import that backup into your new Microsoft 365 account. So this short video is just going to demonstrate how you do that. The first thing you need to make sure is that you have your existing email account, the one you're migrating from, and your new email account, the one you're migrating to, configured in Outlook. And you do that by adding new accounts. So in the File section, click Add Account, and then you'll be able to add a new account to the system that way. But that's a video for another time. So what we do is click on File, click on Open and Export, and then click on Import and Export. We then want to select Export to a file and click Next, and then we want to select Outlook Data File and select Next. Then we want to select the mailbox that we want to migrate from. And we want to back up the files from. So we select the mailbox that we're interested in, and we need to make sure that we put a tick in the box to say include subfolders, and click Next. We're then asked to select the location where those files are going to go to. If you need to, you can click Browse to put it into a folder of your choosing. It might be worth you putting some more information in the file name so you can identify it. Once you've done that, you click Finish, and the export process will begin once you've selected whether to select a password or not. It's an optional thing, entirely up to you, but if you do set a password, make sure you remember what that is for when we come to do the import. Click OK. And away it goes. Depending on how many emails you've got, this process could take a long time. So after the backup's completed, you'll see your PST file if you browse to the folder that you chose to send it to, and now that's ready for import. So if we go back to Outlook, and the same kind of process, File, Open and Export, Import, Export, and then we select Import from another program or file, which is the default option. Select Next, select Outlook Data File, and select Next. Again, we're going to choose which file we're going to import, so we're just going to browse for this because we changed the name of the file. Select our file and click Open, and then click Next. So in here, if we open it up, we should see our folders within that PST file, and then we can select where do we want to import them to. First of all, make sure you're selected right at the very top and selecting including subfolders, and then we want to change the location where we're going to import those to. So you need to change that to the mailbox, which is your new Microsoft 365 mailbox, and then click Finish. And then all of your emails will be imported.